Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ha ka jing penbet thamai ya ka Meghalaya Excise Rules da ka ba penrung da ka rule ka ba thamai ka 149A ka ban ai Laisen ni ki Rio Shiment ni ki kinhuan ni ki seng man Pdem na ne ban penya yo ya ka kiyat Pdem. Lingba ka ni ka kendon ka ba thamai kinu ki brio kila ban penya yo ya ka kiyat Pdem ka ba mud kum ki rice beer ni ki wei per ki jingdi ki ba shu Pdem am ki ba pen kala kiyat na ka jinhau. Minturang ba ka jala konrat kong ka sangmau laong ba minta ka Sorkar kan thau yiki kendon ban a jingbit no yiki nong shong shnong ba kin sedang ban penmi ya kani ka jingdi. Ya mentau laong ba anam pat sya ya ka kiyat Pyrsi hendrai suki ka Sorkar kan sale ya ka niru kata ban ai Laisen yaki ba shet kiyat Pyrsi namar ba bun ki shnong kile ya kani hendrai minta an sya shwa tanga kiyat Pdem bat ka jingmut jong kani kan phalang ru syaka kam jungok kai perthai.
Yeah. We have also today cleared the amendment of the Meghalaya excise rules for the insertion of new rules 149A, license for fermented country liquor by individuals, firms, society, etc. This basically is an amendment and a rule that has been introduced for our local country fermented drinks that are made by our people, which are local drinks, but restricted to fermented ones only, not distilled ones. So the distillery is completely different. There are many agencies that make distilled ones, but we are sticking, and this amendment is mainly for the fermented. So like bacchi we make. So therefore we are now regulating that in a manner in which we will be able to, in a way, give the necessary permissions to people who would like to promote our local fermented drinks. Again, I'm repeating the word fermented because distilled ones are different, fermented ones are different. So the fermented products that are there, which already in fact are being made by our people, there was no framework to regulate them in the past. So we have created now a framework to regulate the fermented country liquor, and slowly we will now engage with others for the distilled one, because distilled ones are being done even at the traditional heads level and different things. So those need a bit larger engagement. But the fermented ones, as I said, are things that are being done at large scale, small scale, and now entrepreneurs also are very keen to make this more commercial in the sense from a tourism point of view. So all of these things are being done, and for that this amendment has been made, and this will now allow our local entrepreneurs and local individuals who are interested in this fermented country liquor to now produce it and make it in a proper manner, and a framework for that has been passed today by the cabinet. At the same time, in the excise department, they have also passed a decision, and the cabinet has approved the decision today, that there were earlier 3 categories for the bonded warehouses. One category was for turnover of 20 crores and above. Another was category B of 10 crores and up to 20 crores. And one was up to 10 crores. So there were 3 categories. We have reduced those 3 categories now to only 2 categories. So there will be category A, which is for 20 crores per annum and above, and those who are 20 crores and below. So below 20 crores. So these 2 categories now have been made, reducing it from 3 categories because there was too much of complexity. So we have decreased it, and there are now only 2 categories: one above 20 crores turnover and one below 20 crores turnover. Today that was made was, as you know, that there was a wine policy that we have. So in that wine policy, we have only, as you are aware, we have fruits that we use, but now we are including rhizome, which is like ginger, and bulb, rootstock, etc., floral sauces, honey. All these kind also have been converted into homemade wine. These products will also be included in the homemade wine policy, the fruit policy, which of course had come out quite a long time back. So these decisions were made today in the cabinet in regards to excise department.
Wat penleno yakni kakabu ki sopti etho ki babha bat shongdor nadu saw po hajar hadu hundriu po hajar tingka menta phila banyo hagador lai po hajar tingka ya ki sopti etho ba shongdor hinyo po hajar seneng pinyo tang san po hajar tingka tang kata kawe ki sopti kade kawe ki design tang na ka benta jongpi wan jit nok loi na molai moro bat na mot pran pho no menta hau khandai saw lai hundriu san pra hinyo lai pra